I'm just coming back to y'all again. I got this frog, and we're up at this lake. Go ahead and show them around. The lake's over there, and we're gonna come through this little channel. Come here.
What up, you guys? It's Insane Clown. Also, I'm chilling with my homie cameraman behind the phone is Vista, and go follow Big Bear. I'm gonna hook up the pole.
Yeah, you can go ahead and rig the pole. Come here. Don't drop my phone. Just get me in the reel. Yeah, we're in this little channel, or this little pond right here, I guess.
I don't know if you can see the line.
I might have to throw a weight on there.
Oh crap.
That's good, I know how to catch. I want a top water.
What's that mean?
Top water where it goes on top. Shit, I might throw a spinner braid on.
You mean like a buoy? Like a buoy? I mean, buoy, like, what's it called? Like a float thing on it? Casting out here?
Hey, bub. Oh, don't hit the bottom.
Really close.
Yeah. Show them the lake. Holy shit, that's a fat man. I've actually never caught anything on this frog, so it's my buddy's frog. Fat ass fucking minnow right there. See that motherfucker?
Mm-hmm.
On that there?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, we got some grizzly wintergreen going in. Here, let me sit. Go grab both the tackle boxes. Hey, we got Luke. Got the slate and we got the little frog. It's pretty nice. There is gators, so we gotta watch out for them bitches. That'd be a good vlog though. Hey, and then grab an empty bottle out of the truck. Oh, do you see that fish jump? Bring me the tackle boxes. We're just doing a little fishing right here. Probably not gonna catch nothing. That's a fat minnow right there. No, bring him over here to the thing. Over here. No, bring him over here. Over here. On this the bench. And go grab me the bottle that's
Okay.
Bring me the, yeah. There's something keeps splashing right here, so pretty sure there's something right here.
I'm gonna go do something real quick.
Alright, you wanna bring the camera with you?